Welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing this very adorable panda drinking boba. Come join us for the step-by-step. Everyone, let's get started with our panda. We're super excited. We're gonna start with pencil because we're gonna erase a few things, okay? Are you ready?
Okay, yeah!
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow. So I'm gonna do it right in the middle of the paper, and let me just do it first. Okay, you know how it's like, it's not a super tall rainbow, it's just like a curve. Perfect. And then from there, we could do the sides of his face. So what I'm gonna do is from this point, I'm gonna make a curve that goes down just like this. This is the side of his face. Just a curve, nothing crazy. It kind of looks like a hook. And then for the bottom of his face, I'm gonna turn the paper, and then I'm just gonna make a curve that goes like this. Cool, that's good. And then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve that looks like a C. Look, this kind of looks like the letter C, right? Oh, perfect. And then we're just gonna do from this top of the C, we're just gonna make a line that connects to there. What we're gonna do is in the middle of the face, we're just gonna do a little horizontal line like this, and this is gonna be his nose. Perfect. And then what we're gonna do is right in the middle of this horizontal line, we're gonna make a little point. All I'm gonna do is make a curve that goes up to this horizontal line both ways. And then we're gonna make his little mouth. So what we're gonna do is they look like whiskers. We're gonna come up and out. That's his mouth. And now we could do his eyes.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Look how good that looks. In the inside, we're gonna do the details of his eyes. So okay, and then the detail inside is we're just gonna do a little circle.
Like that.
And there we have the eyes. Super simple. We're gonna continue and we're gonna do the boba. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a straw coming out of his mouth. Perfect. And then we're gonna leave some space. We're gonna come over the mouth and we're gonna copy that same line we just drew. Okay, we're gonna continue and we're gonna draw the cup. Perfect. Perfect. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's juice or milk or boba, whatever it is. So there we have our cup, and now we could continue with the body of the panda. From the head, we're gonna make a curve like this for his body. Just like we did for his head. You see how we made that curve? Yeah. We're just gonna copy that curve like this for the body. It's longer and it's a little wider.
Yeah.
Okay, try that. Like right here somewhere. And then we could continue with the bottom. So actually you could just go around. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the left arm first. So for the left arm, we're gonna come from the head. And then you're gonna finish curving in like this, and then go like this to the cup, because that's her arm. Of her feet. So let's do her feet first. Look, on this side, we're just gonna make one big oval like we did for the eye. That's good. Good job. And then we're gonna do the other foot, and the other foot's right next to this cup. So we're just gonna do another oval. The next thing we could do is her right arm. So for the right arm, what we're gonna do is good job. So now we have our arms. All we really have left are little details like the ears, little blush on her face.
Aw, that's gonna be
and the little details of the Bobo. So let's do her ears. Her ears are like half circles. So outline it, Mommy.
like.
You're gonna use gray instead of black, okay, Mommy? All right, guys, and here we have our Panda drinking boba. How'd you find it, Emmy girl?
Good, it was super fun.
Was it? Yeah, it was super fun. I think he looks so adorable. The straw looks like it's going through the drink because we erased the certain parts that we erased. And hopefully you guys had fun. Please stay tuned for more videos.
She uses all the time.
I do. I need a new black color pencil. But please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.